So June 18, 2025, KFC Jamaica celebrated 50 years of operation in Jamaica. And for thanking Jamaicans to make Jamaica the #1 KFC country in the entire world, they decided to give away a free 2-piece meal with every purchase of a 3-piece meal. And just imagine over 40 locations across Jamaica and what seemed to be like millions of people showing up at KFC from as early as 3 o'clock in the morning to wait for KFC to open at 10 o'clock just to get in on this deal. So I have some footage of this, what seemed to be a chaos in Jamaica for KFC.
We begin with news of pandemonium at some KFC locations. Customers swarmed the restaurants as they tried to capitalize on deals as part of the company's 50th anniversary. Kelisha Williams reports.
It's not lunchtime, but scores of Jamaicans skipped breakfast to secure what KFC advertised as burrata in celebration of the company's 50th anniversary. People have been camping out at various locations hours before the scheduled opening, hoping to get in. From downtown Kingston to the Washington Boulevard and in Manor Park, long lines were the order of the day at the various locations. In Manor Park, we witnessed the security struggling to keep the order as she tried to let persons in. Because of the absence of a number of systems, chaos reigned as people tried to skip the lines to get in. This customer explained her strategy.
I'm a smart KFC shopper, so what I did was I have some family members that love to wake up early, so they came while I slept, and right now my order is in there and I'm just waiting. They're at number 3.
Why was it important for you to come and get chicken?
Because Uncle Colonel has been so good to us for 50 years. Oh my God, we couldn't miss it.
Another customer was relieved when he got his order.
It was crazy. I was here from 6 o'clock, but I finally got my food. I was here from 6 o'clock, but I got my food.
What's it like inside?
It's crazy. It was like an ant's nest. The people them want them chicken, but you know what them put in the chicken? We don't know.
So what prompted you to come out so early now to get this chicken?
Because of the national dish, and I can't solve it. KFC is the national dish.
And was it rough inside?
It wasn't rough for me because I was first, but everybody after me, it was a royal rumble.
And you were here from what time?
About 6:10.
6:10?
Yeah.
When you came here, was there a crowd when you came here?
It was only me. It was only me. So seeing the crowd now, wow, people are coming out of the ground like ants.
But the burrata deal may not be available all day. The company was quick to stress that it is while stocks last. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
45, because we know that the crowd is going to be here. And you know that it's KFC 50th anniversary, so you know a lot of people is going to be here. Everybody want to buy one, get one free, so you know nobody now going to pass them deal there. And may I tell you the truth, the way how I sleep on time, the clock, every tick of the clock, I time from 1 o'clock till 5 o'clock. I couldn't sleep no longer. I used to just get up and come out here.
What time have you been here from?
9:20.
And why did you come out today?
For the free 2-piece of chicken, the baby I get the leg and wing.
What's so special about KFC?
Boy, I'm gonna know them tie the whole Jamaica, the whole 14 parishes. All who have KFC come at town for KFC.
Finger licking, man. Finger licking good. Well seasoned to the bone. There's no other thing like KFC. You understand?
KFC is a place like, you know, excitement, and in here go full. Someone be the first person to get served. So sleep and wake a lot of time. Watch the clock, that's me, can be the first person to be here. I'm excited, you know, because I love chicken and my daughter them love chicken. So, I appreciate you know, so I'm there in the bunch.
6 o'clock and I'm from Payne Avenue.
And why did you decide to come out this morning?
I hear about the deal. Buy 3, get 2 free. And I have to make it. Not such a man. Members we have to make it, you know. We are all Jamaicans. I will spend my money, so when we hear free, I just want it free and done. That's it, some man. You don't know one of us.
They got around the moment. Who said that?
So far, I'm not even know. They open the door yet? They not let in nobody. Oh, so inside the pool? No, they're not inside. Oh, so they just let in a few and then lock back the door. Jeez and peace. So, right now, as you can see, the door, this is the entrance to the KFC in Old Harbour, and massive people like in them hundreds, bro. Because guess what, me know? If you buy, you can buy up to 3. You can buy up to 5 big deal, and you can get the free meal deal to go with it. So one person can get 5 times the free chicken. You know what I mean? And my favorite food still, but I go around with it, I love it bad. But you don't do. It's a vibe. Look out there. I just hope to the people them not fight and them not bust the war and all of that. No fight no go on, mommy. I hope them not bother with that today. But no joke, no. Yo. So now you can see the door open a little bit. So what them do, they just let in some people. See some people get out them food. Yo, I wonder what inside look like. You can't even get to see on the inside.
So if you are part of this chaos, this crazy lineup with police officers have to be out there monitoring things for you to get that free KFC, sound off in the comment section and tell me, how long did you stay in the line for the KFC, and was it really worth it to line up for KFC that long? Let me know in the comment section.